Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. For those who don't know us, my name is Carl.
And my name is Christy.
That's Christy. We bought this house from Facebook, which is a bit different for us because we'd never really tried that before, and it was normally you go for a real estate agent and do business that way, but we decided that we'd have a look on Facebook, see what was out there, and we spotted this place, didn't we? Yeah, so basically we did our due diligence to make sure that we were following the process of law and also making sure that we were protected as consumers.
Yes.
And so it was really quite easy. We talked to the person directly, and then we negotiated the price, and for us it worked out really well. We'd done a bit of a survey of the area and found that this is kind of what we're looking for.
Yeah.
So it's been really good for us. This is a
1960s
brick and tile.
Brick and tile, old English style.
Yep. Typical sort of state house of the day. It needed quite a bit of attention, and as you can see from our video clip, and you'll get a bit of an idea of what we've gone through to get this place sort of up to scratch. There's not a lot of how we did what we did, but it was you could see that we've done a bit of work, but we've also haven't overextended ourselves financially, taken our time, and I think we've got quite a pleasing result. We've left a lot of the property as it was originally and cleaned up, repainted, spruced up. We put a new French door in the back, a few other bits and pieces. Basically, I think it looks really quite nice. We're really pleased with it. Welcome to our old kitchen. You can see the floors have been done, and they come out really quite nice. We've got the old sink bench there. Now we're still in the pros of doing this one up. It's got a small leak under the sink, and we're going to fix it up. So we've painted all sashes and surrounds. These curtains have been put in place as just a security. We intend to replace them fairly soon. It's a fairly small space, but we're quite determined to make it work. Tap is original. It's not a bad one really, so we decided to keep it. This is where the hot water cylinder was, in this corner, so we've got rid of the hot water cylinder, and that's the dimensions of it. You can see it took quite a bit of space. And over here is where the plumbing went. So our intention is to put in some blocks there, some holes to fill. I'll do that as soon as I can find some old material. And there you have it. Kitchen almost done. Our intention is to put some louvers in this thing. I think that should make it look quite nice.
The bathroom and toilet were really run down, so we completely gutted those areas. Put in a shower, pedestal sink, renewed the toilet, and put new lino on the floor. Looks wonderful. The lounge was always quite stuffy and the airflow not so good, so we thought, well, probably the best idea would be to put French doors in and also a deck, and that's made all the difference. Opening up those French doors lets the light in. Also, the deck has made all the difference and added a nice living experience. We've changed the colour of the lounge to white, and it's just brightened everything up. The furniture looks good in there, everything looks really, really nice, hey? And that's kind of the way that we wanted it. Facebook Marketplace also provided us with 25 hedge plants, $10 each. What a great deal. So one of the first things we did is we planted these, and it's just made all the difference. 3 years later, much better looking a green natural wall than an ugly old wooden fence, eh? I just love the look of this thing. Beautiful. Facebook Marketplace is a really good platform to do business. However, when buying a house through this particular media, please make sure that you've done your legal checks and balances. Make sure you've got yourself a good lawyer who can help you with the conveyancing and do all the search of titles, etc. There's nothing worse than buying something and then finding out there is a surprise because you haven't taken good legal advice. No substitute for it. You'll have to do a valuation, of course, and this is part and parcel of getting a bank loan. So hey, get that. It's also a good way of looking at how much the house is worth if you need a second check. Always remember, you're going to do everything that a real estate agent does. You're going to have to make sure that you know what the properties around the house are worth, and you're going to have to do a bit of research. If you can't manage that process, or if you're a bit worried about managing that process, then perhaps it's a better thing to get yourself an agent and work solely through them. We hope you've enjoyed the tour of our house and grounds, and also a little of an unusual way of buying a house. And also, yeah, you can buy a house through Facebook Marketplace. Be careful out there. Enjoy, and all the best in your next house purchased. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.